Okay, welcome back, student. Say it is a we are learning in this session is a plasma. Plasma is a condensed. See, considered as a fourth state. See, this is a fourth state of matter. Fourth state of matter. Solid, liquid, gases. It's already completed. See, fourth state of matter is a plasma is there. This is plasma. It consists of the ionized gases like free electrons also. So it is a consist of ionized and see free electrons is present. Next we have to see the example fluorescent tube neon. See, this is a neon gases. See, inert gases is there na in zero group elements in periodic table. See, this neon sign bulb. So it is a compressed fluorescent tube is there, and when electricity is passed through them, then these gases get ionized. These gases is getting the ionized and form the plasma. Form the plasma. See what will happen? When electricity is passed through them, then these which gases? These gases, neon gases, and get ionized. It is a getting the ionized and form the plasma. After is a glowing the bulb. Bulb is a glowing. Okay, is it clear? Next here is a plasma state exists normally at 10,000 degrees Celsius to 15,000 degrees Celsius. See, more temperature is there here. 10,000 degrees Celsius to 15,000 degrees Celsius. See, sun, stars glow due to the presence of plasma state of matter. See, plasma state of matter due to the glowing. It is a highly ionized electrons is there, and here is a this like forming the plasma state of matter. It is present in sun, stars also. See, that's why is a sun is a glowing, stars is a glowing, because of in the presence of this like element is there. Next we have to see the at high temperature get ionized. At high temperature they are getting the ionized. About 99% of matter in the universe is a plasma is there. Say, about 99% in our universe is a plasma is present. Next, highly energetic state of matter is a plasma. Is it clear? It is a very easy. See, plasma is considered is a fourth state of matter. Next one is it is consist of ionized gases plus free electrons, and it is a fluorescent tube is there, neon sign bulb, compressed fluorescent bulb. Next, when electricity is a pass through them, then these gases get ionized and form plasma. See, after is glowing the bulb. Next, it is a exist normally at 10,000 degrees Celsius to 15,000 degrees Celsius, and it is a stars, suns is a glowing due to the presence of plasma state of matter. Okay. Next, at a highly get ionized, and about 99% plasma is present in our universe. And here is a highly energetic state of matter is plasma. It is very easy. Okay, student. See, next fifth state one is a Bose-Einstein condensation. See, Bose-Einstein condensation. Condensate. See, in the 1920, Indian physicist Satyendra Nath Bose, see this scientist, Satyendra Nath Bose and Albert Einstein, see done the some calculation about the fifth state of matter. Which scientist? Say Bose and Einstein, Satyendra Nath Bose and Albert Einstein. See, done the fifth state of matter. See, in 2001, Eric A. Connor and Oltan Kettler, see, call a women of USA. See, this scientist, USA, a Nobel Prize in the field of fifth state of matter. In the field of the fifth state of matter. See, these scientists, Carl E. Women and USA, said the Nobel Prize in the field of the fifth state of matter. Next, Bose-Einstein condensation. This state of matter is formed when the gases with low density is cooled at very low temperature. And here absolutely zero is there. What is absolutely zero means? It's a 0 Kelvin or 273 degree Kelvin. Say absolute means here 0 Kelvin or it is a 273 degree Kelvin. Absolute means. See, very cool. 0 Kelvin means it is a very cool. Okay. Next we have to see that here minus 273 degree Kelvin said. Next, at this molecular motion, what said? Says at this temperature, the atom no longer remains the separate. The atoms no longer remains the separate. The atoms is clumping. Each other. These atoms is clumping because is a minus 273 Kelvin is there. Next, call this atom for is a super atom. We are calling the super atom. Example, super fluid. Say a liquid. Helium is there. CH means is a helium. See, we have to write here helium. Okay. See, cold up about absolute zero, and these are known as super cold body. Very cold, very cool bodies is there. Say, we are learn in this chapter is a state of matter in our surrounding. Solid is there, liquid is there, gases, and see, we have to learn the plasma. And next we learn here is a Bose-Einstein condensate. Bose-Einstein condensate is a fifth state of matter. See, their temperature is a minus 273 Kelvin. Okay. See, this like these are a fourth state of matter